In this video, we're diving into a topic that's essential for maintaining a cozy and clean living space: how to clean your sofa like a pro. Whether it's dealing with spills, dust, or just regular upkeep, we've got you covered with some easy and effective methods. So, let's get started. 1. Gathering your supplies. Before we jump into the cleaning process, make sure you have all the right tools. Here's what you'll need. Vacuum cleaner with upholstery attachment. Soft bristle brush or lint roller. Microfiber cloths or cleaning rags. Mild dish soap or upholstery cleaner. Check your manufacturer's recommendations. Distilled water. Spray bottle. Baking soda. 2. Basic maintenance. Regular maintenance goes a long way in keeping your sofa looking and feeling great. Start by vacuuming the sofa using the upholstery attachment. Make sure to get into the crevices, under the cushions, and along the seams to remove loose dirt and dust. 3. Spot cleaning spills. Accidents happen, but here's how to tackle spills quickly. Blot the spill with a clean cloth to absorb as much liquid as possible. Then, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with distilled water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the affected area, and gently blot with a cloth. 4. Deep cleaning. For a deeper clean, especially if your sofa needs some freshening up, baking soda can be your best friend. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda over the entire sofa, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then vacuum it up using the upholstery attachment. Baking soda helps absorb odors and refresh the fabric. 5. Cushion care. Cushions tend to take the most beating, so don't forget to fluff them up regularly to maintain their shape. If your cushion covers are removable, follow the care instructions for washing or dry cleaning. If not, vacuum them thoroughly and spot clean as needed. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to cleaning your sofa like a pro. With these simple steps and a little bit of regular care, your sofa will stay comfy and inviting for years to come.